Now we're going to talk about 3 examples of small group networks and look at the way communication happens in these different types of groups. So the first type we have here is a chain network. Within these types of networks, communication follows the formal chain of command. You can see here in this image 3 levels, 2 at the bottom, 2 in the middle, 1 at the top. The people at the bottom have to communicate with the people in the middle row in order to communicate with the person at the top. The people at the bottom never actually communicate directly with the person at the top. A wheel network relies on a central figure to act as the conduit for all group communication. So what that means is there is one person who communicates with every single person in the group, but the group members themselves rarely have conversations between the 2 of them. This type of network you might find in a team with a really strong leader. The third type of small group network is the all-channel type, and this one allows group members to communicate with everyone in the group. Group members communicate with group members, and they communicate with the leader. It's usually used in self-managed teams in which group members are free to contribute and no one person takes on a leadership role. This network, as we're about to see, is usually best if you want the group members to be satisfied with their membership in the group, if you want people to be happy working in a group. When we create a team, which one of these networks is best? It depends on the situation. This table is based on the research and can help us choose the best kind of network. If we need to communicate quickly, wheel and all-channel networks are probably best. If we care more about the accuracy of information, chain and wheel networks work well. If our follower satisfaction is important, as I just mentioned, the all-channel option might be the best.